Hello, and today I'm going to show you how to make a paper Christmas card squishy out of paper. No tape or stuffing. You'll need a piece of paper, a ruler is optional, something to draw with like a pen or pencil, a pair of scissors, and a glue stick. And something to color with is also optional. So first you're going to take your piece of paper and you're going to fold it in half. Like this. And now I'm going to draw a square. It'll be like a thick card, or you can use it as a squishy. You can draw a square as big as you want. The bigger the square, the bigger the squishy. I'm going to use a rule and a pencil, and I'm going to just make a square. Okay, I'm done drawing my square. This is how it looks. And now you are going to draw like I'm going to make it Christmassy, so I'm going to draw like a Christmas scene with like a tree and a fireplace and some presents. You can make it any type of card you want. You can draw whatever you want inside. Okay, I'm done drawing the scene. This is how it looks, and I also wrote Merry Christmas above. Okay, now you're going to want to color your drawing. This is optional. You don't have to color it. You can use pencil, crayons, markers, all kinds of stuff. Doesn't really matter. Okay, I'm done coloring my scene. This is how it looks. Now you're going to cut your card out. Okay, I finished cutting it out. Here it is. You should now have two pieces like the same size. And now you are going to need your glue stick, and you're going to glue almost all the sides. If you have a square, you're going to glue all the sides except one of them. Because you're going to need a hole to stuff this in. So I'm going to glue all of this side, and this side. All three of these sides except for the top. I'm not going to glue the top. So you're going to line them up. And you're going to glue each side. Okay, I'm done gluing it. Well, as you see, I glued all the sides except for the top. If you have any holes, then you might want to go glue them. And now you're going to take your bag, or what you're going to stuff it with. I'm going to cut mine because I think this is too much. Take this, crumble it up, open the top, and put it in. You even need help on corners or something, just get like a pencil with a pointy end and just push like that. You'll now see that after I stuffed it, I have a little hole here, pushed it open, so I'm just going to glue that spot right now. Okay, I've fixed all the holes. Now I'm going to just glue the top shut. Wherever your hole is, you're going to want to glue it shut once you put your stuffing in. Okay, I'm done gluing it, and I'm done. That's it. Here it is. If you want to give this to someone as a thick paper card, you can, or it can be squishy. Bye, and I hope you enjoyed this video.